So we are moving from parallel lines to triangles, and we will still see some parallel lines coming up soon. We'll start to see triangles and parallel lines together in one figure. But for right now, let's just take a look at the triangle. And I don't want you to bail out of the video as soon as you see me do the first one or the second one. The third one's different. See, X is outside the triangle. X is inside, so it's a different process. Some people are jumping out, and then I see when they get their assignment that they didn't watch the whole thing, because I can tell what they sent me. They wouldn't have done it if they would have. So anyway, this will be a short video. So what I have written over here says all three interior angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees. And that is true in all triangles. So if you have two angles and you're missing the third, well, just add the two you have. And in this case, we have, why did I write 43? Okay, yeah, just want to make sure I didn't do anything silly there. 127 degrees. I added these two together. So now I will just subtract from 180 to get that value of X. So 180 minus 127 is 53 degrees. And if you put 53 here and add up the three numbers, you will get 180. Okay, so there are a few of those. Then you will see three like this. And a lot of people in the past have skipped these as they already know what to do. It's the same question. You just don't have the picture. So you will still add the two you have. And in our case, that's 87 degrees. Subtract that from 180. And that's going to be 93 degrees. Again, they all have to add up to 180. And finally, told you this was going to be a short video. This is a little different. Now there's a statement in math that says if you add these two angles, they're called the remote interior angles, that's always the same measure as this exterior angle. Okay, so I'm not going to do what I did up above. I'm simply going to add 30 plus 71. That's 101 degrees. And see, that's an obtuse angle. It makes sense. Okay, so nice and short. So let me show you what the assignment looks like. And you can see there are some of that writing up above tells you what I just told you. Every triangle has three angles. The sum of them is 180. This is doing what I just did. Add the two you have, subtract it from 180. Okay, so you have a couple of those. Okay, now on the back, again, a few more, just a little practice. Then you'll see these that I mentioned. Don't skip them. It's the same thing. And at the bottom, X is outside. So you'll have to do what I did in the video. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.